Welcome. If you've ever missed a friend's birthday on Instagram and wished you had a reminder, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn on birthday notifications using Instagram on your PC. With a recent update, the settings have shifted slightly, but don't worry. It's still simple once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, look for the Notifications section and click on it. Inside Notifications, you'll find several options. But what you want is Push Notifications. Go ahead and click there. This is where Instagram lets you control what alerts you receive in real time. Scroll through the list until you find the Birthdays option. Once you see it, simply choose On. That's it. You've now enabled birthday notifications, and Instagram will alert you whenever someone you follow is celebrating their special day. For example, if one of your close friends has a birthday tomorrow, you'll get a notification right on time, giving you the chance to send a message or post a story without missing the moment. Keeping these notifications turned on is a great way to stay connected and show appreciation to the people in your network. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you engage with others on the platform. Now you're all set to never miss another birthday on Instagram.